Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove or replace intake camshaft position sensor on Hyundai Elantra guys, generation 2011 to 2017. We have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart, so please guys subscribe. If you need anything, drop a comment, we'll try to make a video. Also, more electrical videos will be made on our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please guys subscribe, we have engine codes, airbag codes and electrical components there, so let's start on it now. So what do we need to do? First we need to remove the engine cover, and in order to remove the engine cover you have to pull it straight up. Sometimes it gets stuck, so grab it good. Okay, here's 4 rubber bushings on the bottom, and those bushings attach to these points here. 1, you can see 2, 3, 4. So now the intake camshaft position sensor is on this side right here guys. This is the one, you can see this is your intake. So in order to remove it, okay, on the bottom, in the middle, okay, you have to press in the metal piece to pull it out. Okay, you press in like that and you pull the wire out. Okay, let me show you again. It's a little bit inconvenient because it's on the bottom side. Now this is a 10mm socket here, okay, and we'll remove the bolt. Now it's important not to twist the sensor left or right, just pull it straight up, and they will be stuck sometimes. Okay, so what we'll need to do, we might need to help it with a screwdriver because we have a big seal there, and this seal is so it doesn't leak oil. Okay, like that. This is guys the intake camshaft position sensor. Okay, right here you can see this is the O-ring seal that I was talking about. If you notice any oil leaks there, just replace this one. It's pretty simple. We'll have a video guys how to test the camshaft position sensor on the channel. Not very complicated video at all, and you'll know if yours is good or not. You get the replacement sensor. We'll have the links for all the parts and tools that we use in the description of the video, so if you need a camshaft sensor you can see where we bought ours from. Okay, install the bolt. I recommend to get it tight by hand. Okay, and push the wire in. Okay, and that's guys the whole procedure. All you have to do, put the engine cover on. So thank you guys for watching, see you guys next time.